Okay, so this experiment is on dynamic routing. So in dynamic routing, you don't need to manually assign the routes for each network. In dynamic routing, what happens is the router automatically chooses the route according to the information provided by another router. So in dynamic router, suppose um, my router 1 this router 1 sends its information directly to its routing table information directly to router 2. So according to the information provided by the router 1, router 2 selects the most appropriate route to reach the destination. So as you can see, there are three routers and I have connected three PCs, and I've connected them already, and I have set the network addresses. I have assigned the IP addresses for the networks. So to start dynamically assigning the routes, we have to go into the router. So for in my case, the first router, we have to connect this to the directly attached networks. Suppose in the router 1, it is directly connected to network 1.0 and 2.0. So I have to send my routing information to 1.0 and 2.0. In router 2, I have to send it to 4.0, to 5.0, and to 2.0. And in router 3, I have to send it to 3.0 and 4.0. So how we do that is we go into the router, and there are two methods. In CLI mode, we can write mm, configure router RIP. So once I've typed that, I just need to provide the network address with the syntax such as network space the IP, the network address. That's it. Suppose in this case, I would be writing 192.168.1.0, which is this network, and I would just press enter. I've already done that. And another way to do it is to go into configure section and go into RIP. As you can see, I've added 1 and 2. I would just type in the network address here, and I would just click add. And for router 2, as you can see, I have assigned the networks. Router 2 is connected to 2 directly, to 4 directly, and to 5 directly. And the same for router 3, as you can see that it is connected to 3 and 4 directly. So in dynamic routing, the way it routes is according to the number of hops. There are a limited number of hops. So because of this, router looping can be prevented, and since it's automatic, some time can be consumed. So I'm going to ping from PC1 to PC. I'm going to ping from PC1 to PC2. So I will go into command prompt, ping to 192.13.10, and as you can see, it is obtaining the reply, and the dynamic routing protocol is successful.